Hello everybody, and today I'm taking my dog for a walk. And this is my channel right here. These are the most recent videos. I was just looking at it. Okay. Oh, look at the pink thing on his nose. It's gonna go away. Okay, we've just left. My dog's already taking a walk. Oh, he already used the bathroom. Okay, it looks like he peed in this guy's yard. I hope this guy isn't mad. Okay, Play-Doh, here's your treat. Okay, now we're gonna go further on the walk. Okay, guys, so we're not in my neighborhood, but we are pulling into it. We just went on this neighborhood just to walk through it. And yeah, well, he's running. What's going on? Something's happening outside. I need to get. Dogs are barking. All I want to do is just get home. This better be a smooth walk. Okay, come on. We're almost home, Play-Doh, so yeah, we're here. Oh, man. Well, we're home. I didn't lock my door. Hopefully no one broke in. I don't think anyone did. Okay, Play-Doh. You're free to go from your leash. Okay, go. Well, that was a pretty nice walk. It wasn't the best walk, but I guess it was okay.